Welcome to my channel. Arris TM1602 Modem not working. 1. Check the power supply. Ensure the modem is plugged into a working power outlet and the power cable is securely connected. Replace the cable if it seems damaged. 2. Verify LED indicators. Look at the modem's lights. If they are off or blinking unusually, it might indicate a connection or hardware issue. 3. Restart the modem. Power off the modem, unplug it from the outlet, wait 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to reboot. 4. Inspect coaxial cable. Ensure the coaxial cable is firmly connected to the modem and the wall jack. Damaged or loose cables can cause issues. 5. Check for signal issues. If the modem's online or receive lights are blinking, there may be a signal problem. Six. Verify Ethernet connection. If you're using a wired connection, ensure the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into the modem and your device. 7. Access modem status. Open a browser and type the modem's IP address, e.g., 192.168.100.1, to log in and check the status page for error messages or alerts. 8. Reset the modem. Press and hold the reset button on the modem for 10 seconds to restore factory settings. Reconfigure the modem if needed after the reset. 9. Update modem firmware. Ensure the modem has the latest firmware version installed for optimal performance. Thank you for watching.